Hello everyone, my name is Martina and today I will be your host on Booking Manager Seminar for Charter Agencies. This is our traditional seminar that we hold every year several times on several boat shows, and this is the first one on Booking Manager Summit because it's the first summit ever. So thank you for coming. Today's agenda, I will tell you something about statistics and how many boats do we have, where, what, etc. And I will introduce you to some features of Booking Manager Agency portal that you can use online. I will introduce you to yachting feedback rating system, and I will show you a sneak peek to the new Booking Manager portal, new search widget, and I will present you our new API for agencies. So let's start from the beginning. Booking Manager statistics. So today we have 8,600 yachts in the system from 350 destinations worldwide. Come in. From 620 charter operators. So 620 charter operators are using MMK Booking Manager system, and 3,000 active agencies can book it online, can check online all these yachts, can make offers and make bookings directly. How does our system work? So it actually connects charter operators with agencies and gives you the overview of all available yachts, all prices, all pictures, equipment, inventory, etc. with the real discount, real availability, real agency commission, and real data available for booking. So you as a broker, as a charter agent, at any time can go to bookingmanager.com portal, can search for available yachts. You can get your results in 22 languages, in all world currencies. You can send your offers directly via the system. You can make offers, options, bookings for one-way charters, short-term offers, anything that is non-standard, and you can check for different products. So not only bareboat 7-day from Saturday to Saturday charter. How does it work? So on bookingmanager.com, if you have an account, you can log in, you can check what's available, you can search, you can book directly. What is special about Booking Manager system? So, okay, basic search, Saturday, it's fine. But what if a charter has a one-way or a short-term offer or a special discount? Feel free to come in.
Hello?
Did we start too early? Yes.
Yes.
You are late, okay. No problem. So what if a charter company, they have a special offer? Before, if they wanted to offer a one-way charter, so for example, a client wants a boat from Split to Dubrovnik, and then if he wants to book Dubrovnik back to Split, he either has to send a bunch of newsletters, he had to, I don't know, call an agent and ask, do you want a one-way charter? And he needed to give a huge discount to promote it. What we did on the portal, we are scanning booking sheets of all charter companies, and we are finding special offers, gaps, and all non-standard offers. So if I'm searching for a boat, for example, in Croatia, but not a standard one, but a short-term offer or a one-way charter, I will get everything that is non-standard. All one-ways directly for all periods that I selected for. If you as an agent, if you select a boat, which is a one-way, you will always have a notification, take care, this is a one-way, etc. and a surcharge or a discount if applied to this offer. By using this way, you can actually bring new bookings for your charter companies, partners, whatever. They no longer have to send a bunch of newsletters to promote it, and you can take these special offers, short-term charters, one-way offers to your website directly. Short-term offers. Standardly charter is from Saturday to Saturday, 7 days. Okay, but what if a charter company has a client from, Spain, whatever, coming by plane, and the plane can leave on Tuesday. They have to book 9 days, from Saturday to next Tuesday. And then they have a gap, 5 days. They know nothing. They don't know what to do with it. What you as an agent can do, and what we as a system did, we scanned booking sheets of all charter operators, again, in real time, every day, every second, and we are searching for these small gaps. You can come to the portal, choose short-term offers, and find everything that is non-standard, 3, 4, 5 days, with a discounted price, and you cannot find it anywhere else, only in the system. Because the charter operators, they no longer have to send a bunch of emails, they don't no longer have to put it on their website, hi, we have a special offer short-term, blah, blah. We do it directly for them, automatically. You can take it from here, put it on your website, via API or via search engine or whatever, or book it directly on the system. For the new ones, one-way charters, short-term offers. This is a top used function in the system in bookingmanager.com because agents can find every offer possible that's not available anywhere else. Regarding feedback, I was just having a presentation for charter operators and explaining them why it's important to have reviews and ratings and all the information about client satisfaction. We in yacht charter industry, we don't have like central place like booking.com has or like TripAdvisor has, etc., where you can check everything. If I want to book a restaurant table, I go to TripAdvisor and find, a good restaurant, 5-star or whatever, I book it, that's it. For a boat, I don't have a general place, not yet. What we tried actually is to create a simple solution, nothing fancy, nothing too complicated, etc., but super easy for customers and for agents and for charter operators to use something to get reviews, because reviews are the key of next bookings. Because customers, they want to see reviews, they want to read it. Me personally also, when I book a hotel, for example, I always read the reviews, probably you as well. This is what charter companies need, reviews. Yachting feedback is something that we developed because we saw that on the market there is nothing, I would not say good enough, but there is nothing complete that would actually satisfy the needs of the market and needs of clients. What we also did is we opened this rating system to agencies. So most of the rating systems, they work on a way that that the charter client comes to the base, charter company gives them the pen and paper, and you write something. Okay, but what if an agent wants a review from his client, somehow online or somehow automatically? Now you can have it. So what we did, we created this yachting feedback. You see, I have a voice.
With this user-friendly tool, charter agencies can, for the first time, get insight into guests' satisfaction with the charters, their boats, and services provided. Once the charter booked through Booking Manager portal is finished, under My Booking section, a small icon appears in the client feedback column. By clicking on the icon, Email Editor opens with Yachting Feedback Survey link, ready to be sent. Once you send it, the guest will be able to click on the link in the email and start simply designed and easy-to-fill survey. Yachting Feedback gives the possibility to choose from predefined answers. Yes, I don't know, no, and add a comment. After filling out the general category, guests can continue on to other questionnaires or exit. Other questionnaires include survey topics for personnel and service, boat and equipment, skipper and sailing area. When guest fills the survey, you will get an email notification with logging info, and after logging into your account on Yachting Feedback page, you can check the rating of the specific boat, as well as overall satisfaction with charter services. You can see statistics for each boat, the number of reviews, and the feedback categorized as positive, neutral, or negative. Yachting Feedback gives you insight into customer satisfaction, shows possible improvements, and helps you to better understand your client. All of that free of charge.
So the point is, when you as an agent, when you book a boat online, you can go to My Bookings and check all your bookings. You can issue invoice, etc., everything from there. But when the charter finishes, so when the checkout is over, you have a link, yachting feedback. And you can send this link directly by clicking on it to your customer. And then he can fill in either first 4 questions about general satisfaction or go into deep, let's say, questions and answer about personnel in the base, quality of the base, where the restaurants, toilets, whatever, etc., to get the more possible info. The point of this rating system is to collect as many as possible reviews to get a general overview of each yacht per each charter operator. Because, as we all know, a charter operator can be good, everything can be fine, but maybe one boat has a potential problem. Maybe it's too old, maybe the crew on that boat is not so nice or friendly or whatever. And maybe the cleaning of entire fleet is bad, but everything else is okay. So this rating system will actually serve charter operators to check their quality and to be sure in their quality control, to you as agents to be sure that your client was happy, or if not, why, and what can we change, and can I change it with the charter operator, or should I just stop book this operator on a boat? And actually to the client, because he will feel that someone cares, that someone asked them, what do you think about your trip? How was it? Was it everything okay, etc.? So actually it has 3 good positive points. You can all use it. It is already in bookingmanager.com. So after the checkout, it will pop up a link. You can click, send it, that's it. Every client can decide whether they want to publish it online on Yachting Feedback website or not. If not, only you will see that in your agency account when you log in. If yes, then it will be live on Yachting Feedback.
Is it possible for the customer to upload photos too?
I think in this version, no, but it's something that we suggested to developers to develop. So yeah, in the new version 2.0, yes, it will be available. Yeah, not yet. Yeah. Regarding the new agency portal, so I showed you the old one, the one that we use, okay. What we did is new design and new functionality and everything new for agency portal for you to easier check and book boats online. It will be released by the end of November. It will be easier to search. It will be completely mobile friendly. It will have comparison meters and feet for search, because until now you had only meters. And it will have multiple filters available. How it will work? So this is how it will look like. You will have the yachts search possibility. You can just type in, not just select, etc. So it's much easier and saves you 50% of your time. You will be able to choose, of course, shipyard, mainsail, etc., meters or feet, and equipment, of course, additional. When you click search, engine, of course, is the same logic. You will get the results with dates, price, etc. You can add to quote. Everything is in the shopping bag. So you have it ready. You can click on a selected boat if you want to book it directly. You can choose some extra services, select I want towels, skipper, whatever, and make optional booking online. Also, of course, you will have the booking sheet and special offers, which is the most popular thing, with discounted weeks, short-term offers, and one-way charters. Everything scanned from the system, all short-term offers, everything is non-standard, available online. Under My Bookings, you will be able to search and check everything you've done, all the offers, options, etc. Confirm directly with one click, or edit, cancel directly from the system. With the new portal for agencies, it comes a new search widget. Possibility for your website to look nicer, to have better functionality, and to help clients to book online and to see what you offer available. Also, it will be available by the end of month. It will be fully responsive with your customized design, your colors, etc. And super easy customizable with like 5 minutes of work to fit your colors, fonts, etc. And it will work also on the mobile phone as it's an app. So
Search engine is easy to implement, fully adjustable to fit your website
you search,
and customizable to maximize user experience.
filter,
Also, it is responsive
and get
suitable
results.
for use on all devices, so that your
Like an
clients can search worldwide offer on your website at any time and place.
and book online. So you will be able to have it on your website, normal on computer, etc. But also if you want, if your website is responsive, clients will be able to book boats with search widget on your phone, on their phone as well with your website. This search widget, the big version for the computer, will look like this. This is the plain basic white one. So if you customize it with your colors and fonts, of course it will be much nicer, but the functionality is super easy, where a client can click, choose a date, what's available, next, and search. He gets list of results, everything is completely filtered, you can filter it later, easy customize, add discount, whatever, click, and client can book online on your website. This widget is the most easy solution for a website if you don't have as much as bookings that you think that API would cost you, etc. So if you need simple solution for online booking on your website, then search widget is the right solution for you. If you have API, or if you want it, then we have great news for you. This new API, which will also be released by the end of November, has new platform. So it's API-JSON REST. If anyone uses API will know what does it mean. It means that it's super easy to access from any programming language. Programmers before, with the old one, it took them 3 to 4 weeks to program the API connection, the connection between MMK and the website. Now, approximately, it will take them 2 to 4 hours. Why? Because we created the interactive documentation with all possible examples, how API works, what can it do, etc., and with prepared templates to make the search and the programmization, everything much easier. So the new API will have documentation like this, with all possible filters and with all possible methods that your programmers can use. Agencies using API will be able to confirm, of course, options, bookings directly, to upload crew list. This is what, for example, 1A yacht charter uses already, and Argos. So they upload all the crew list of their customers via API, and all charter operators see that immediately in their local application. No need for sending emails, scanning documents, whatever. Everything is uploaded automatically. And charter companies can easily import all of that and maybe export invoices and whatever they prefer with this new API. Your programmers will love it because it has also try it out button, which means that whenever they put some code or whatever, they can click and try and see in real time what the result is and how it can work. The documentation is all in API, and you can really try it live without additional programming, etc. So everything is in the documentation written with a tryout button, specification, and for every single language, let's say programming language, it's described how to use it. So this is one of pre-built examples, how your programmer can use it in curl, in Java, in Android, JavaScript, etc. So 2 hours, and he's done. This would be all from me. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to test the new API, if you want to test the search widget, if you want to ask me something about new portal, old portal, whatever, feel free to ask. I'm here for you. Thanks. No questions?
How to try it?
API. We can give you the test access for 1 month. So test account we create with a demo charter company inside. We give you access, you try it out and see if it works okay for you or not. If yes, then we give you the real database as well inside, and you can make offers, options, bookings, etc.
When the new interface is published, so what actions does it require from agency's side
For the API or for the portal?
for the portal?
Nothing. So it will just change the interface and functionality, which will be much easier. We are now beta testing it. So alpha test is gone, beta testing now, and it will be published within maximum 2 weeks, but I believe sooner. And then you will have the new search inside, and that's it. Nothing from your side needed to be done.
So for the VBM, so
For VBM, yes. So if you have do you have the old one?
yes.
Okay, so if you have the old one, you will be able to get from us the new code that you will implement to your website, copy-paste, that's it, and it will work normally and be mobile friendly. If you want, you can do it on your own, like copy-paste, and that's it, or we can do it for you through your CMS. So just new code and that's it.
Okay, all right. But you will inform about today.
Yes, we will send a newsletter as soon as we publish it. And then if you have the old one, you just let us know, and if you want us to change it, then we will change it for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions? No? Later, privately, that's what I'll do. Okay then, thanks. Grab a drink, coffee.